This debate as to whether this sinisika ebobra and I am to me for mobra. We are filmmaker. What to me the sinitrasika abobra?
The patch of Juma, we are for day.
Sika.
No, Sika, unya no day.
Okay.
No, I have seen this.
Okay.
I really don't get it when people tend to underrate filmmakers, right? Let me tell you, even though, apart from filmmaking, I really don't mean all my concentration is on filmmaking with the creative arts department. So what I say, and maybe I'm a yummy. Now I'm doing small business via art touch. But BBN who are better free filmmaking. And you know, every little money you make it depends on how you utilize your money. Okay? Obi bet me anya a movie, obi bet me anya 1 billion. Ebi a won't me mfanya hwe. Or the bedjinani, or the beye or the beye or the beshono. Obi bet me anya 1 million. 1 million I want no okay, 1 million krade na bet me ai. No problem. I mean come market. Me hwe nkola wo home tuntum su. Sa pana edit a year the tone so say be our top 3-4. Ice water who feel in the mind say or the amount kwala nka krakra muntomra. That you know bet me the so filmmaking in Ghana, definitely you don't expect much as in Europe, any other neighboring countries. But at least kakrabia ubenya biya in your own way, no, you can save it to make something big. Into filmmaking there, sika ubenya umbia, you can invest it as well and do and yes say ube undermine. And let me tell you, say eduma biya niwa sika umche filmmaking that. No business in Ghana or in the world. I'm telling you, there is no business in the world that sika
in Ghana here
in the world than filmmaking. No business. Because filmmaking is a creative thing. So sabi ne goldness chef from wahani to kurana. Besa beko baby fufuro. Okay. What did they mention us? But creativity there. We kono na we ba. We kona we ba. It is so song na so we are e wo afebo. Yeah, for the world. You entertain the people, we educate them and we inform them as well. And you know, a idea, a yet natural finna, a war of people. It's only filmmaking, film industry in Kuala Lumpur. You see a lot of companies collapsing. Into filmmaking there, a koswa or minus so a ton.